What's up, Butlers? Welcome to episode 9, and we're off beach camping, but before that, we're gonna go on a roll around on the boards. If you like our videos and you want to see more, hit that icon down below and subscribe. It's free, no pay, you just gotta click it.
Hit for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, if they pretend. Aim off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. Hit for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, if they pretend. Aim off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. I'm on my job, I get it done, but you should know that. Shine like a sun, a 101, you should know that. I get the front and in the back, you should know that. No need to stun, it's never cap, you should know that. All I know, 10 toes, never fold, bang roll, on the go, ice wall, ice wall, ice wall. Hit for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, if they pretend. Aim off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. Hit for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, if they pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. I miss my baby, so I hit them on the FaceTime. I need it all for them, so no, I cannot waste time. Facing these oceans, feel the water on my waistline. We trust the process and my only know it takes time. You can get it, got no worries, I'm gonna make mine. Going global, I'ma get it out the state line.
So we're just making our way onto the beach. We've got Loudog and Beyond the Concrete coming later. Hopefully they'll catch up with us at some point.
Yeah.
Right, so we just got bogged. We just dug it out, not too badly. I'm hoping we can just drive out of it, but we'll see, won't we?
I hope we do.
Are you ready?
Yep.
No one coming? Right, ready? Yeah. Yeah, we're good. Right, so we got to our camp spot. Let's go take a look.
It's really windy. We're gonna put the tent up and then we're gonna go for a fish.
So we got the tent finally up. It's a bit of a mission actually. It's really windy. We had a bit of a shower, but we're all good to go, boy.
Yep. Let's go.
Right, so we're all set up. It's windy as hell, but we're just about to go fishing. So let's go.
in the tent, it's warm, and we're gonna sleep like kings tonight.
Did you sleep well, Butler?
Yeah.
It's pretty cold, isn't it? It's still windy though. Still windy. So just getting the fire going, ready to cook some breakfast on. Just a bacon sandwich this morning. So we'll cook straight on here, just get the ashes going, the charcoal going, and then we'll be all good. Right, I think it's coffee time. Let's get the countdown, the most important thing. Smelling good. Yeah, so it's pretty unfortunate when we come to amazing camp spots like this and people just leave all their rubbish around. There's some old shoes, there's some socks, just bits of just plastic rubbish. Yeah, so what do we do when it's like this?
We pick it up and we put it in the bin and make the place look better than normal.
Yeah, so we basically just go around, and it's a good idea to do that, just go around and just tidy the place up. The animals just leaving it like this. Right, we just got off the beach. We've had a good camping trip, haven't we? It was pretty windy yesterday.
Yep.
Hopefully go for a wave if it's not too big with Loudog and Beyond the Concrete.
Yay.
See you soon.
Thanks for watching. This is the end of the road for us, so make sure to like and subscribe, follow on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook, and we're gonna go for a surf.